The House of France, right? All right. So, Patrice, you can tell me?
Okay, Taché, Akata, Tre,
Hun.
Hun. I'm sorry, Hun.
From a Caher.
Oh, yes. Catter.
So, Tashe,
Okay,
Cathru,
Tashe.
Hun a Caher.
Cathru.
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 Yeah, Cathru, the TH is an H sound, so Cathru.
Say that 10 times.
Caher. Yeah, so it's basically it's a quarter to 4, a Cathru, Hun a Caher. Okay. So Pam, different one.
Let's see, Taché, Ajay, Harish, Good.
Good jirache. Exactly. Hinta. Okay. Let's see.
How do you say that one again?
Tashe Ajay Inia Akuig, or Taresha Kuig, sorry. There's another way to say it. Tashe Ajay Taresha Kuig. Tashe Ajay Taresha Kuig. Okay. So it's 10 after 5, okay? Let's do a couple more. Just not sitting there. So, Narish and Tommy? Oh, did we miss Kevin? Okay. I'll give you, let's do this one and then we'll get Kevin.
Taché, Ahui, Taresh, Shah.
Ashay.
Ashay.
Tashe Akuig Taresh Ashay. Akuig.
Did I say it wrong?
Yeah, I didn't estimate it on that one. Okay, we'll give Kevin a couple then, so since we missed him. So, okay, how about that one?
Oh. Taché Lahir, Taché Jek Lahir Taresh, Taché
Ajay.
Taché Jek Taresh Shah.
Okay, and one more for you. How about that one?
Taché Lahir Taresh Shah.
That's a 50. 10 to 8, 10 to 8.
Taché Jek Hun Shah. Shun Ort.
A hocht, yeah. Yeah. Ah, right. Okay. Come on. It's enough for now. So. Okay. We'll have to do the time bingo sometime. Okay.
Shanti, would the Irish ever say like 5, 15, just those numbers instead of a quarter after?
You could say that, yeah, you could say that also. And if you have numbers that aren't quarters and halves, then you just say whatever the number. So, Anish Tashe Trechachocht Taresh Shach, so it's 38 after 7. Okay. All right. Go down to sentence I there. So if you want to say what you did something at a certain time, like I got up at 6:45, Jairi me ega kachru kunashach. So use egg to say at whatever time it was. So ega kachru kunashach. So Jairi me ega kachru kunashach. Okay, I could say Jairi me eg ficha taresh shacht. Or imagine, so I got up at ficha is 20, taresh shacht after 20. I mean after 7 in the morning. So Jairi me eg ficha taresh shacht. So someone else here want to tell us what time they woke up today? Okay, so Jairi Catchlin eg she achlog.
You haven't taught Mandy how to say name yet.
I was gonna say Jerry made Shachta Club.
Eg shacht achlog.
No, wait. Share Club.
Okay. Jairi Mandy eg she achlog. Okay. Eg she achlog, 6 o'clock.
I start work at 7.
Nasty.
Say Hotsi me egober ege shachtachlog. I began to work at.
My choice of parking spots.
Okay.
And it goes well, it's really important.
Okay. J. Vi nomed ege hun eha. So he had 10 minutes. Okay, so nomed is a minute. These are just parts of what's going to show up in the main sentence. So, okay, vi nomed ege hun eha. He had 10 minutes to eat it. So there's two things we're looking at in here. First of all, the way you say he had 10 minutes. Vi nomed ege. Okay, and so in Irish, when you want to say you have something, actually that's better. You have something ta, egg, someone. Okay, so the way someone has something, ta, whatever thing it is, egg, whoever it is who has it. Okay, so the easy part here, we're going to stick je. 10 minutes, or in Irish 10 minute. Okay, je nomed. So je nomed is 10 minutes. So ta je nomed egg is the way you say someone has 10 minutes. Okay. Ege is the part that he has. Okay, so literally something like is 10 minutes at him. Okay, but sometime here you want to get to the point that ta plus egg means have to you. Okay. So ta je nomed ege, he has 10 minutes. What we have in this sentence here, vi je nomed ege, he had 10 minutes. So instead of ta, we have vi. Okay, vi means it was. So there was 10 minutes at him. That means he had 10 minutes. Okay.
Can you also say vishe? Just leave it as egg?
You wouldn't be using she in this sentence, no. Not in this one. Okay. And then to do something, you use the word hun to say in order to do something, and then whatever it is that you have to do. In this case, ea iha, it to eat. Okay.
Is that different than the hun and f then?
Yeah, it is a different hun.
I guess spell it differently then.
Yeah. Okay. So, if you want to read that sentence, J, word for word, literally, it would be was 10 minute at him. In order, I guess you can read when it to eat. Okay. But you really have you really want to get the idea of some version of ta plus something. So it's egg. You want to get the idea that means having something and knowing who has it from there. And the idea of doing things after a lot of words like kun and other kind of constructions in Irish, you're going to switch the words around a little bit. So you want to say in order to eat it, in Irish you're going to say in order it to eat. Okay? And you've seen a lot of places where we do that. Okay? So I would like to eat it. Bawalion I would like it to eat. Okay? We had one a while back. Hokri me I decided it to eat. Okay? So very often you're going to have to switch the words here. Instead of saying eat it, you say it to eat. Okay? So Bawa does that. Kun does that. Words like hokri me. And we'll see others as we go. Okay? Before we go on with that, let's go back to the ta egg thing, because it's pretty important. So how do we say, I have a cat? Ta kat agam. Okay. What is it here that tells you that it's I who have a cat? Agam. Okay. Particularly that M part. Okay, the word agam kind of says that it's me that's involved. How do you say then? I had a cat.
We
cut agam. Okay. So ta is saying that it's something that's right now. Ta is something. There is a cat at me, or I have a cat. So the part that you're changing to say that it was something in the past is ta, which means like is, becomes be, which means was. So there was a cat in me, I had a cat. Okay? How about I don't have a cat?
Neil
Neil cut. Okay? So Neil Katagum, the Neil is not. Okay, so that's telling you that something, that's the part that you change. The ta part changes to say is or isn't or was or wasn't. So if you want to say, how would you say, I didn't have a cat? Ni rev. Ni rev katagum. So there wasn't a cat at me, I didn't have a cat. Okay?